Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be about how to set up Lightspeed Trader charts. So it's very simple to do. You'll see right here a basic montage that I have set up, and you'll see I already have some charts over here, have some indicators. What you want to do, again, if you want to set up your charts, it's very simple. So again, you can kind of move your layout, your montage around, kind of drag, drop. Let's say I wanted to, once you already have your charts, you can kind of do stuff like this, make them smaller, move them up, fit them into a montage like this. But if you want to start adding charts in different time frames, what you want to do is come up here to New and click on Chart. When you get a new chart, you'll see a pop-up window like this that you can just drag around and have set up the way you want. So again, let's say I want to just kind of drag and drop it, make it bigger. I can kind of go like this and kind of set it up the way I want. As far as chart timeframes go, what you want to do is you want to right click and click on chart parameters. And this is where you can change time periods. You'll see it add some buttons down below. You can have those on there, or you can change the different buttons that you want if you want to toggle through. But if you want to change, let's say time, chart time frames, this is where you go up here and you have 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10, 15, 30, 60 day, week, month. The one thing that Lightspeed Trader does not have is microsecond charts, so anything sub 1 minute, you would need to use another, charting platform such as, let's say, eSignal, TradingView, or TC2000. So they don't have microsecond charts. They have the lowest time frame that they offer is 1 minute. So basically, this is where you can go and change the time frame. So let's just say we want to do a 60-minute period. This is where you could go bars back, right? So you can go however many bars back that you want. You can have market only, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or all, right? So we'll just make this one all for now. And then you can go bars back or days back. So you can go as many days back as you want. You can go 20 days, you can go 50, whatever your preference is. So let's just put it on 20 for right now. So again, you can see those tabs at the bottom, or you can just click on remove if you wanted to remove them. Just click on each one, click on remove, and it removes it from the bottom. And so basically, once you have your time frames the way you want, or the time frame that you want, you'll see it went right to 2 minute. See, so it kind of moves. So just double check. I'll put it back at 60 minutes, and you'll see sometimes it gets a little bit annoying if you're not paying attention. You got to make sure you have it set up the way you want. So you'll see right here, I just put it back 20 days back. I click on all again and then press OK when I'm done. So I'm just going to double check 60, 20 days back. OK. All right. So now you can see I have my chart right up over here for the different chart time frames. If you want to do filter studies, again, this is where you just right click on studies, and this is where you can add the different filter studies. So you'll see I have a bunch down over here. If I just click on remove, it'll remove them. So you'll see them removing as I'm doing this. Right here, click on remove, hit OK. So you can have clean candlestick charts or add whatever indicators that you want. If you want to add indicators, you would just right click on studies, and this is where the different studies are right up over here. So this is where you could, add the different studies. So let's say you wanted to add, let's go to simple moving average, right? Click on 50. Let's say you wanted to add the 50 simple moving average. You can have line or mountain. You can do thin, medium, or thick lines. I like thin. And then you just click on the color that you want. Let's just make it whatever this pink color is right now. Hit OK, and then click add. And there you go. You'll see the 50 simple moving average right over there. And just make sure you click OK once you're done. So this is, again, your montage. Let's say you wanted to move things around or get rid of something. You can just X out, X out. I can move this up over here. I can move this window bigger. Let's say if I wanted a bigger window, move this up over here. It's very interactive with Lightspeed, their montage is just very easy to get set up. So you can see I can just basically just drag and drop, move it to the places I want, drag and down, move it over, and there you go. So basically, once you have your chart layout and the time frames the way you want it, you just click up under layout and click on save layout as, and that'll save it onto your computer. And then when you go to log out, when you click X to log out, if you want this to be your main layout, leave it checked as save all changes, and yes. If you forget to do that and it loads the wrong layout, again, you could have multiple layouts saved on your computer. Just go and load the layout that you want as your main layout. So if you load the wrong one, or if you save the wrong layout and you log back in, you could just, go up here to load saved layout, and it'll bring up whatever layout that you want as your primary. So that's how simple it is to set up your charts in the Lightspeed Trader platform. So hopefully this video helped you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.